This is Magnus Media's effect.
Buying hundreds of them. I wanted it so bad, it just became crazy.
Addictive. Break into shops.
Now this is mine. I'm going to do 3 things in this video. First, teach you the effect. Second, show you the end result. And third, the application. Import your video into CapCut and go to adjustments. Reduce the saturation like this and adjust these other effects to get a clear black and white video. Go back to video and click on the max option. Select the rectangle max and position it on the first frame you wish to be visible. At the end of the frame, cut it and place another max in the place you want to be visible on the video. And at the end, you will have something like this. Add a text layer and change it to an hyphen. Change the color and in the scale up bar, input 9999 to cover the entire screen. Make it a compound clip and take it below the video. Export the clip. Clear out the timeline and add the original video. Also add in the exported clip. We need to edit the original video, so turn off the visibility for the exported clip and go to adjustments. Now with zero joy and a non-smiling face, destroy this video color by making everything blurred. Use everything you have in your arsenal until you get this result. Turn on visibility for this clip and go to remove background. Remove the green color using the chroma key feature so you can smile now. I had to take out the audio from this video because it is not mine, but it's going to be very boring watching without audio, right? So I improvised. Hey, where do you think you're going to? Hey, I don't care, I don't give a damn, bro. I'm the Hulk. Hey, wait up, don't get off the phone. Wait, what? Is Thor giving a dab? How did I miss that? Oh my god, he's giving a dab. Shit. Chaos, everyone, panic, panic, scream, scream, run away. No. You will pay with your life. Scarlet Witch. Yeah, she can't find her anywhere. We don't need that, guys. Right then, let's strategize. So many of them. Please rate my voiceovers on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comment section. Another way to use effect is in tutorial videos like mine. Open a blank canvas on CapCut and add a text layer. Edit it to any word you want. Select a really bold font. Add a background clip and adjust both to the same length. Add a contrast color to the bike text and export the clip, just like this. So if you want to edit like me, please fill out the Google form in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Happy New Year. Cheers.